Let me tell you a story of a certain place called Rectangulum. Rectangulum was a far, far away land that was isolated by hundreds and hundreds of kilometers of water. It was made up of two separate large sections divided by a river, of which each of them were made up of two separate parts. On one side of the large section, one part was made up of blacks, while the other part was made up of whites. On the other side of the section, one part was made up of blues, while the other part was made up of reds. Within each section were constant battles between the parts. The white fought against the blacks, reds fought against the blues. See, each part was brought up in a manner that taught each other to hate the other. Basically, hate what was not common. The fights went on for time, and a number of members were lost from each. But behind the shadows were secret meetings between a few members from each respective part within the sections. What wasn't widely known was that some members were romantically involved to other members, which was forbidden. In some of these relationships, offspring were created, which was a risky move. Luckily, a lot of the offspring would usually take the color. Unfortunately, a couple from one side formed a member that was a mixture of both members. And coincidentally, that also happened to another romantic couple from the other section. At first, each couple from each section hid their one-of-a-kind offspring from their fellow members in their respective parts, with one of the couple keeping the offspring and having the child seen by the other half during secret meetings. The respective couples could not hide their kids forever and made the other members from their respective parts with similar love interests know about the special kids. They then formed a group and raised the chosen kid to bring peace, to allow parts of each section to live as one. After growth and a lot of resistance, the chosen ones each made their respective parts live together in harmony. Everything went well until the sections started fighting against one another again. The chosen ones were each wiped out by members of the opposing parts during revolts within a short span of time. At last, a colorful spirit emerged from out of nowhere to set the records straight. The population of Rectangulum saw a number of undesirable powers unleashed that made the population fear going against the spirit's requests. Over time, the members formed an entire population through various lessons after the spirit made it known unto them that their only difference was their color and nothing else. The spirit would pay a visit to Rectangulum, ensuring that they obeyed and lived together in concordia. The end. Well, better yeah. If you've made it this far into the video, thanks a lot for watching. I truly appreciate it. And I'd like to leave you some food for thought before it ends. Here's a fact. It might blow your mind away. But Here goes. As soon as I stop talking, the video ends. Well,